welcome back to my channel. Happy Wins. Today we're going to be playing this horror game. Well, not really. Cody, let me speak. We found this game. Yeah, we used to play this back before we had channels. We actually played this. It's sadly been abandoned for some weird reason. Like, this game has far surpassed 3,500 likes. So yeah, I think it's just been abandoned at this point, but it's still a good game. Like, no matter what you say, you cannot say that this is a bad game. Because it continues to have that, like, old field Roblox that I miss.
And if you call it bad for coming for you.
Yeah, Cody will dox your IP if you call it bad.
Wait, don't go down there.
Yeah. Oh. Oh wait. I just noticed something, Cody. Whenever you fall out of the sky, whenever you fall out of the sky and die, right? You have like this particle effect. Like next time you die, fucking die.
Oh, hello.
Bye. But you're so distracted. Wait, how did you see it from up here?
You see the shadow?
Yeah. Yo, wait, he's like a little hamster.
Yeah, he's following wherever you move.
No, you can't tell me. I don't know how the fuck to play. Can't wait for my video to be taken down due to like profanity.
No.
Ah! Yo, I just cheese the fucking map, bro. Tsunami! I'm gonna die to the snowman. Oh, never mind. He's not gonna end my second. Did you just run?
Oh, okay. Hello.
Help! I'm in heaven! You're not too far away from heaven. Please help me! I couldn't see shit, dude, how black my avatar is. Like, I'm not fucking shitting you, Cody. Bruh. Tell me that you can't see that. Like, once this particle effect goes away, tell me you can't see that shit. Like, I can't even see myself.
I survived.
I shouldn't have picked a black avatar. And, like, I don't mean that I'm racist. Wow! I'm currently being. What? I clipped inside the building. I'm currently lagging. This lady framed per second. I'm being fucked to death by a zombie. My words were I'm being fucked to death by a zombie. Logan says the N-word live on stream. There's only one in the darkness, so. Uh-oh. How are you doing, Cody? So what should we do like next upload that I do? What should we play together?
Eat a friend.
Eat a friend? It's kind of laggy on my end, but okay. I can't really record it because it gave me like 4,000 fucking pings. But hey, or 4,000 frames.
Yo, plot twist.
Alright, I'm fucking maybe. Oh man, it's free. I think they fucking patched that shit. So how long can you record for, Cody? But like, and can you post it to your channel? Like, have you verified a phone number or some shit like that so you can? So that means you can only film for 15 minutes.
Yeah.
So I was like more.
I think we've been in for 15 minutes.
No. No, we've been in for 5 minutes. Yeah, I can see how long I've been recording for, so you've probably been recording for 6 minutes. So yeah, end it whenever heck you want to. I know that my videos are gonna be boring as hell with me. Please kill me. Please.
Help me! I didn't need a bed bed.
I am the great mighty Shu, and I'm going to throw my children at you. Cody! I am the great mighty Shu, and I'm going to throw my children at you. Did you?
Part.
Yeah, it still kills you no matter what.
Oh, wait.
Also, did you see that particle effect? Also, I clipped through a fucking roof. I clipped through a fucking roof.
Come back to me.
I clipped through a fucking roof.
Well, he's gone.
Yeah, I'm just gonna move walls real quick, like, bruh. Top 10 reasons why you should never trust what I think is a school. Like, bruh, I can't see shit right now. Help me! I'm stuck in my walls.
You are in a bed pain.
I'm not in immense pain. Oh, here I am. I'm out of the walls finally. No, wait, should we gamble? All right, you go back side. I go this side. Okay. Okay, I just got.
Capping door.
Who the fuck?